This is the new topic: nucleic acid and nucleotides. There are two type of nucleic acid: deoxyribonucleic acid and ribonucleic acid. Primarily, nucleic acids serve as repositories by transmitter of genetic information. DNA was discovered in 1869 by John Friedrich Miescher, a Swiss researcher. The demonstration DNA contained genetic information was first made in 1944 by Avery, McEvold, and McCary. Function of nucleic acid. DNA is the chemical basis of hereditary and may be regarded as severe bank of genetic information. DNA is exclusively responsible for the maintaining the identity of different species of organism over millions of years. Further, every aspect of cellular function is under the control of DNA. The DNA is organized into genes, the fundamental units of genetic information. The genes control the protein synthesis through the mediation of RNA as shown below. The interrelationship of these three classes of biomolecules, DNA, RNA, and proteins, constitutes the central dogma of molecular biology, or more commonly, the central dogma of life. Components of nucleic acid. Nucleic acids are the polymers of nucleotides held by 3 and 5 phosphate bridge. In the other words, nucleic acids are built up by the monomeric unit nucleotides. It may be regarded the protein is a polymer of amino acid nucleotides. Nucleotides are composed of a nitrogenous base, a pentose sugar, and a phosphate. Nucleotides perform a wide variety of functions in the living cell besides being the building blocks for monomeric units in the nucleic acid and structure. Monomeric units in the nucleic acid, DNA, and RNA structure. These include their role as structural components of some coenzyme of B complex vitamin. In the energy reaction of cell is the energy and in the control of metabolic reaction. Structure of nucleotides. As already stated, the nucleotide essentially consists of nucleobase, sugar, and phosphate. The term nucleotides refers to base and sugar. Thus, nucleotides is nucleoside plus phosphate. Purine and pyrimidine. The nitrogenous base found in nucleotides are aromatic heterocyclic compounds. The bases are of two types, purine and pyrimidine. Their general structure are deviated. Purines are numbered in anti-clockwise direction, while pyrimidines are numbered in clockwise direction. And this is an internationally accepted system to represent the structure of base. Major bases in the nucleic acid. The structure of major purines and pyrimidines found in nucleic acid are shown in DNA and RNA contain the same purines, namely adenine and guanine. Further, the pyrimidines cytosine is found in both DNA and RNA. However, the nucleic acid differ with respect to second pyrimidine base. DNA consists thymine, whereas RNA contains uracil. As is observed in the thymine and uracil differ in structure by the presence of or absence of methyl group. Tautomerism form of purines and pyrimidines. The existence of molecule is a keto and enol form is known as tautomerism. The heterocyclic ring of purines and pyrimidines with oxo-functional groups exhibit tautomerism as simplified below. Lactam or lactim form. Adenine, guanine, and cytosine, thymine, and uracil. lactam form and lactin form, the tautomeric form of cytosine. The purine, guanine, and pyrimidines, cytosines, thymines, and uracil exhibit tautomerism. The lactam and lactin forms of cytosine are represented at physiological pH. The lactam tautomeric form are predominantly present. Minor bases found in nucleic acid. Beside the bases described above, several minor and unusual bases are often found in DNA and RNA. These include 5-methylcytosine, cytosine, and 4-acetylcytosine, and 6-methyladenine, and 6-dimethyladenine, pseudouracil. It is believed that the unusual bases of nucleic acid will help in the recognition of specific enzyme. Other biological important bases. Bases such as hypoxanthine and xanthine and uric acid are present in the free state in the cells. The former two are the intermediates in purine synthesis, while uric acid is the end product of purine degradation. Purine bases of plants. Plants contain certain methylated purines, which are the pharmacological interests. These include caffeine, theophylline, and theobromine of hookah. Ribose, deoxyribose, structures of sugar present in nucleic acid. Ribose is found in DNA and deoxyribose found in DNA. The structural difference of CP. Sugars of nucleic acid. The 5-carbon monosaccharides are found in the nucleic acid structure contains D-ribose, while DNA contains deoxyribose. Ribose and deoxyribose differ in structure. At C2, deoxyribose has one oxygen less at C2 compared to ribose. Nomenclature of nucleotides. The addition of a pentose sugar to base produces a nucleoside. If the sugar is ribose, ribonucleosides are formed. Adenosine, guanosine, cytidine, and uridine are the ribonucleosides of A, G, C, and U respectively. If the sugar is a deoxyribose, deoxyribonucleosides are produced. The term mononucleotides is used when a single phosphate moiety is added to a nucleoside. Thus, adenosine monophosphate contains adenine plus ribose and phosphate. The principal bases, their respective nucleotides and nucleosides found in the structure of nucleic acid. Note that the prefix D is used to indicate if the sugar is deoxyribose. The binding of nucleotide component. The atom in the purine ring are numbered 1 to 9 and for the pyrimidine as 1 to 6. The carbon of sugars are represented with the associated prime for differentiation. Thus, the pentose carbon are 1 to 5. Principal bases nucleosides and nucleotides. The pentose are bound to nitrogenous bases by beta and glycosidic bonds. The N9 of a purine ring binds with C11 of pentose sugar to form a covalent bond in the purine nucleoside. In case of pyrimidine nucleosides, the glycosidic linkage is between N1 alpha pyrimidine and C1 alpha pentose. The hydroxyl groups of adenosine are esterified with phosphate to produce 5 or 3 monophosphates. 5-hydroxyl is the most commonly esterified, hence 5 is usually omitted while writing nucleoside name. Represent adenosine 5-monophosphate. However, for adenosine 3-monophosphate, the abbreviation 3-AMP is used. The structure of two selected nucleotides, namely AMP and TMP, are depicted. Nucleoside di and triphosphate. Nucleoside monophosphate possesses only one phosphate moiety. The addition of the third phosphate to the nucleoside results the nucleoside diphosphate or triphosphate respectively. The anionic properties of nucleotides and nucleic acids are due to the negative charges contributed by phosphate group, purine, pyrimidine, and nucleotides analogs. It is possible to alter heterocyclic ring or sugar moiety and produce synthetic analogs of purines, pyrimidines, nucleosides, and nucleotides. Some of the synthetic analogs are highly useful in clinical medicine. The structures of selected purine and pyrimidine analogs are given. The pharmacological application of the certain analogs are listed below. Allopurinol is used in the treatment of hyperuricemia and gout for refer 5-fluorouracil, 6-captoprine for captoprine, 8-azaguanine, 3-dioxazine, and other treatments of cancer. The compounds get incorporated into DNA and block the cell proliferation. As it azathioprine, which gets degrades to and is used to suppress neurotrophin, used for the treatment of neurological disease. The structure of DNA. Structure of DNA. DNA is a polymer of deoxyribonucleotides or simply deoxynucleotides. It is composed of monomeric unit, namely deoxy adenylate, deoxyrenylate. Chemical representation of polynucleotide. The monomeric deoxynucleotides in DNA are held together by 3 to 5 phosphoreductase bridge. The structure is often represented in a shorthand form. The horizontal lines indicate the carbon chain of sugar with base attached to C1 near the middle of the horizontal line C3 phosphate linkage, while at the outer end of the line is C5 phosphate linkage. Erwin Karp in the late 1940s quantitatively analyzed the hydrolysis state from the different species. He observed that in all the species he studies, DNA had equal number of adenine and thymine residues and the equal number of guanine and cytosine residues. This is known as Sharp rule, molar equivalence between DNA and pyrimidine. DNA structure is considered as a milestone in the era of modern biology. The structure of DNA double helix is comparable to a twisted ladder. The salient features of the Watson-Crick model of DNA are described. Single stranded DNA and RNA, which are usually single stranded, do not obey Charles rule. However, double stranded RNA, which is genetic material, is certain viruses satisfy the Charles rule. DNA, the double helix.